Hello, good evening, and welcome back. Today we continue on our next tool, which is the Edit Render tool. This tool is one of our most amazing and creative tool. I'm sure you will like it. I want to add a note that this Edit Render tool is available all our 15 studios. It's not only limited to Draw Sketch Studio, but it's available all our 15 studios. So any studio you finish the render, you can edit the same way that I already explained in this video. You can add, remove anything you want to do with your render, you can do it. And this tool is all available in throughout our 15 studios. Thank you. So this is the render we did last time. If someone came here for the first time, I suggest you please watch the previous video where I explain our Draw Sketch Studio. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. So guys, this is the render what we did before in the previous video. So the tool I'm talking about is this one, Edit Render tool. So the reason I'm working on the light mode is because there is a few things which you might not understand in the dark mode. So it's better to work on the light mode. So this is the tool we are talking today, Edit Render tool. Once the render is ready, you just go here. Whatever you want to change, anything in your render, you just go here. Once the render complete, go to Edit Render. Then our um, dialog box will open. So first we have a brush, which is this one, the one on cursor. You can increase the brush size, right? Something like this. If you want to select, this is like really big now. Once you select like this, you can make it smaller also. So you can select the smaller part. Okay, you can erase this one from similar size of the brush. You can clear the everything, and you can increase the size again, right? So first I will tell you the interface of this Edit Render tool, and then we will work on it. So once we finish here, like brush, this is a brush, erase, clear, and there's a size, very simple. And here you can see your render. So once you go down, you have a texture, custom texture also. Let's suppose if you have something selected on the roof and you want to change only specific the texture, only this part, you just select here, and you can load from your computer any texture from this thing, right? From your computer you can select your texture, and it will apply here. So this is the texture thing. Once, if you don't want to have texture, you can have the color as well. You just pick the color from here and pick any color from here like this, and it will apply over the selected area. And if you so let's suppose if you don't want any texture, if you don't want any color, what we have a custom prompt also. So you can tell like make the make the roof metal. So it and apply the changes, it will become the roof in metal. So this is very simple operation here, right? Now we will do some real rendering. So I will erase this one, right? Okay, so first start from the texture, right? So once you go and select this part, so let's suppose if we have selection of the roof only, let's go and select the text, any texture first. Okay, so we have a texture now. So as you can see, it's a very simple operation. You have to select the part where you want to change the um, texture or the color. You just brush that area, go to custom texture, browse, and you will see, you just browse what the texture here from your computer, open, and it will load here. The cool thing is you can make it scale bigger and smaller like tiling. You can rotate also from this one, but right now we want to use 100% as it is. So make the selection, load your texture, and go down and apply changes. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, it's replaced the texture what we have given on the system, and it's already uh, showing on our history. So we go back and see it's already replaced our texture here. Now what we will do, what um, we will we will see how our surface color option works, right? So let's suppose if we select this part, the front part, and give it a color. So we pick the color, and let's see, we'll say only this color. All right. The texture from selected color, and apply changes to marked area. So guys, as you can see, our marked area, our the selection we have done and the color we give is it's working perfectly, and it's showing on over here. As you can see, it did not put the plain color, it has some texture, so the AI knows that this is not a just plain texture, like it has some bump and roughness on it. I show you the custom color, custom texture, how to put it there, and I show you how we can change the color as well here. Okay, now I already showed you how to change the custom textures. I showed you how the color works here, how you can change it, and now we work on the prompt, directly on the prompt. Let's see how we can change it. So let's suppose if we have the text brush size something like this, and we select this part. Okay, so let's say we select this part and say um, make the selected area of water stream. Okay, let's see. So guys, as you can see, there is a water here now, as we can select it here. So let's suppose when we do one more thing, we can say we can add a round a window here, right? So we select the area here, go to prompt area and say that add round window on highlighted area, right? Apply. Let's see. So guys, as you can see, it's at the round window now. See, it's added the round window. What else we can do? Let's suppose we can remove this tree, right? We don't want this tree. Let's do it. Let's select this tree. See, guys, this is the n- common use. You can speak in simple English to the AI. Doesn't mean that you have to speak a very you know grammatic way, but just a simple English. You select this part, go to prompt area, and say remove this tree which we highlighted, and apply changes. So guys, as you can see, it's it's remove the tree, and of course with the shadow also, whatever we give instruction. um so what we have covered, see, as I already explained you, the brush size, the grays, clear, and we add something, we remove something, we add water, we add texture, we add color here, and we add our custom prompt, which we say remove this, add this. So this is really handy tool which we have added here, and hope you guys like it. And the cool thing is, whatever you do iteration on your render, it will keep adding in your render history, so you will not lose your original work. It will stay still there, but it will add more and more the changes in your render history, so it will not go anywhere. It will just add up your history. So hope you guys like it. And if you have any question, you can ask anytime on WhatsApp, or you can comment on the YouTube comments. Thank you so much.